In today's video, I am going to teach you how to map Zoho CRM. Mapping is the part of an import where you tell Zoho CRM which column in your file should fill which field in the CRM. Taking a moment to map carefully helps you avoid missing data, placing information in the wrong spot, or creating messy records that you have to fix later. To begin, go to the Settings area at the top of Zoho CRM. From there, open Data Administration, and then select Import. This is where Zoho guides you through bringing in a spreadsheet or data file and matching it to the right place in your CRM. Next, choose the module you are importing into. For example, if your file contains potential customer information, you would select the Leads module. Make sure the module you pick matches the type of records in your file, because the available fields on the mapping screen depend on that choice. Now upload your file. This is typically a spreadsheet export like a CSV. Once your file is attached, click Next to move forward. Before you proceed, it helps if your file has clear header names in the first row, since those headers are what you will map in the next screen. On the mapping screen, you will match your file headers to Zoho CRM fields. Drag each header from your file and drop it onto the correct CRM field. Take your time here and pay attention to fields that look similar, such as name, company, email, phone, and address fields. Accurate matching is the difference between clean data and confusing records. If you notice a header in your file that does not have a matching field in Zoho CRM, select Create New Field. This lets you add a field to the module so that you do not lose that information during import. Use a clear field name that reflects what the column contains, so it stays understandable for anyone using the CRM later. When everything is mapped the way you want, click Finish. This completes the mapping and starts the import process. After the import begins, give it a moment to run, especially for larger files, and keep your file handy in case you want to double-check a few records for accuracy. That covers everything you need to know.